Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie, and today I'm going to test press number 50, which is on its way to Texas. And I might point out that press number 50 is the unusual Purple Heart press. I'm going to be printing from a copper plate that I made in a demonstration you may have seen of an artist's trading card. But before I get started, I'd like to show some features of the press itself. It comes with a box, and inside the box are the certificate of authenticity, the new set of blankets, a little blank test plate, the little book that goes with the press itself. It's kind of its birth certificate, 2 postcards, business cards, the DVD 1-minute printmaker. It has 6 lessons on it, about a minute long. The Allen wrench, which is for the occasional tightening of the wheel on the press. And the user's manual. And a postcard from the imaginary place where Halfwood presses are built. And that fits inside the press. I have an ink already put out, Daniel Smith, Bind Black. I've already dampened some paper, and I have it right here underneath the ink slab.